Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another day, you know what I mean? Liquid Soap Production Day. I'm so happy. You know what? I'm so happy. Getting more subscribers, getting more viewers. Woo! Shout out to my subscribers there. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Do like, comment, and subscribe before you go. Today we are going to the business. I'm so happy I'm making another soap. You know what? I'm not going to stop until you get it right. See you later. I'm on my way to get the chemicals for the liquid soap production. I do get my chemicals from Mojota. This is the place I usually get my chemicals from. I'm sorry guys, I'm going to be using my old video in these videos because my phone stopped recording. If you've been following my videos, you understand what I'm doing right now. Regardless of that, I'm preparing the 10 liters into the big bowl, the one that nitrosol will go into. I'm going to be mixing my nitrosol in this 10 liters of water. As you can see, this is the water and my nitrosol is going into it right now. So I'm mixing. You have to mix. Meanwhile, if you are doing liquid soap, you have to mix. Keep mixing. As you can see, I'm doing it gently, gradually. I'm doing it. It's going. The water, nitrosol, never forget that, and it goes into the big bowl. All the chemicals have been mixed in water because they are the one coming after this. So I've diluted them in small water in a small bowl. Can we call this one foundation? So this is the first thing that goes into the water, as you can see. Now I'm done with the first thing. The second chemical that is going into the big bowl is my caustic soda. As I've told you before that I've diluted it into the small bowl in the small water. So now you can see I have to mix it before combining them. As you can see what I'm doing right now. Now I'm combining them. The reason why I diluted it is because I'm avoiding lumps in my soap. I don't want to mix it by using powder, putting powder straight down into the liquid chemical because I've diluted my nitrous already, so it becomes liquid. So now I have to make sure other chemicals come in liquid. That is the reason why I diluted it in a small water. Look at the results. As you can see, the reacting already. I can see the effect. You can see first one and second chemicals. Now the third one that is going into the water is my soda ash. My soda ash is the third chemicals to go into the water. I've told you, never forget, you have to dilute your chemicals. The powder one, you have to let them be liquid before combining the chemicals. So I have to mix before combining. As you can see, thank you for joining, thank you for watching, thank you. If you have any question, you can surely drop your question in the comment section, and never forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining. As you can see, if you have any question, feel free to ask me, or you have any suggestion or any correction. I'm open. I'm open to any correction. Thank you for joining. As you can see, I'm mixing, I'm mixing. Sometimes I do soak down my chemicals, but this time around there's no time for me to soak any chemicals, so I have to do it. And this is the same result I do get when I soak my chemicals. So since there's no time, I just put them immediately, not long after mixing. So this is the fourth one that is going to the chemicals. We are moving forward. It is called rice. Never forget, it is called rice. And I told you, like I've told you before, that I do soak my chemicals before combining, but this time there was no time for me. There's no time. So there was no time for me to soak down my chemicals. So I have to just mix them immediately. As you can see, it's still the same result I do get when I soak down my chemicals. This is what I'm getting right now. Yes, we are moving forward. Never forget, this is the method I've been using since I've started this liquid soap production, which is years back. So you have to stick to one method. Stick to one method that works for you. Never sneak in, sneak out. Stick to one method that works for you, please. Because somebody is doing this, I want to do it, can spoil your liquid soap production. So the fifth one now is my sulfonic acid. Meanwhile, this sulfonic acid is liquid already, it's a liquid chemical. So the liquid chemical is going with liquid chemicals. So I have liquid chemicals. So I have two liquid chemicals, which is sulfonic acid and my testapon. So you have to mix the two together. As you can see, this is my sulfonic acid. So my testapon is going into it because they are both liquid. So watch and see. Let's keep moving. Mind you, you don't need to start your liquid soap production with too much of water. To me, I prefer starting with little water, then adding more water to my taste. I mean, to what I want, to my satisfaction. Now you can see I begin with small water. Look at what I'm getting. As you can see, don't forget I'm doing 25 liters of liquid soap. Also, I want more than 25 liters of liquid soap. So now I will be adding more water into this because it's too thick. It's too thick. So I'll be adding more water into it. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Keep watching, keep watching. Never forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The next thing to go into the water now is the color and perf. I do combine the color and perf together because I realized that the color and perf always reduce the thickness of the soap. So I usually mix it with water, then mix it with small soap before combining. That is my own way of combining my colors and chemical. I mean the perf with the soap. Thank you for joining. God bless you. Keep enjoying. And I'm also sorry for combining, joining the whole video with my new video. Please bear with me, but you have to learn. At least you're gaining something. This time around, I decided to make my liquid soap a bit watery because I'm tired of making it thick, but trust me, it was foamy, very, very foamy.